Today we're covering the difference between clean and sanitary in your kitchen, backed by official CDC guidelines for your safety. Cleaning removes visible dirt with soap and water but doesn't kill germs. Sanitizing kills bacteria and viruses left behind. The CDC recommends 5 tablespoons or 1/3 cup of bleach per gallon of water for proper sanitation. This creates a safe, effective concentration of 50 to 200 parts per million. Using more is unnecessary and can be harmful. Leave the bleach solution on surfaces for at least 1 minute, keeping them visibly wet to kill germs effectively. Use a test strip for accuracy, aiming for 50 to 200 parts per million, and ensure bleach safety by ventilating well and avoiding mixing with other cleaners. Remember, less is more with bleach. Follow the correct dilution and safety tips to keep your kitchen both clean and sanitary. Find all sources in the video description.